We're here today with Specsavers. We're travelling around the city in my Joe Maxi, picking up passengers and talking to them and listening and trying to get across to them that the whole idea of a hearing check is as natural as getting your eyes checked. There's no taboo about wearing glasses. There's no taboo about wearing a hairpiece, but there is a taboo about wearing a hearing device. Once we got talking about hearing checks with the passengers, they weren't as nervous as I thought they were going to be. There wasn't a stigma there that I thought it was going to be, or the taboo. That once people started talking about hearing checks, it came very easy to them, and the fear or the taboo or the stigma just disappeared. And the number of people said, yeah, I'm going to get it done. Why not? What harm can it do? Get your hearing checked. It can do no harm whatsoever. It can only do good. Don't wait, get it done. Simple, unobtrusive, no forms, no ticking boxes. Just go and get it done.